My name's William Snow. I'm the manager of CSN Golden Triangle Guelph. I've been in the automotive industry 18 years now. This center here has been in business since 1970. Over the years, we've built up a good referral base based on repeat customers coming back to us. In total now, we have 5 locations between Guelph, Kitchener, Waterloo, Cambridge, and New Hamburg. This was the original facility, and then we've added on the other 4 in the last 10 years. We are ICAR certified, as well as Toyota and Volkswagen certified for the manufacturers. The level of service from the front door to the back door, repairing the vehicles to the best of our ability, and treating the customers with respect and honesty. We're definitely the largest facility in the Tri-Cities area. Our company has been in business 45 years. We've dealt with the community, invited them into our premises to do 100% safe, quality repairs for the customer. We built up a reputation over the years and have a number of repeat customers coming back to us over and over again. If you're looking for quality repairs from an honest, reputable body shop, come to CSN Golden Triangle Guelph.